Hello everyone. So today I'm going out with my younger sister at my back, and we're going to travel, going for a trip. I'll show you the video slowly. Just continue to watch. I believe it will be exciting. We're going to see some of the beautiful natures in one of the village in Kohima. See you. So we are in Jakhama. We have reached Saint Joseph, and so this is the postgraduate section. This is the center of Saint Joseph, Jakhama. And here is my sister and my friend Mei. So right now I'm in Saint Joseph. So I'm clicking all the videos. Continue to check. This is the chapel hall. Niña. Me cheje. And this is the view from the center of Saint Joseph College, Jakhama. And here is the playground, the football ground. Here is rabbit from the zoological department. Unluckily, emu bird is not there. And here is albino mouse. This is the main building of the Saint Joseph College, the main entrance. Foggy. As you can see the weather, we have to shift our plans again. So unfortunately the weather is so bad. It's raining heavily as well as very foggy. Finally I met my sister who is studying here. So all of them. So we came all the way from Kohima to pick my sister, who is in the middle, who is the youngest, the good egg. So my plan to visit this place is cancelled because of the weather. Hopefully I'll try to vlog some other day. Please continue to support.